I am so happy to welcome you back to our YouTube channel. It's been a minute. It's been busy, guys. Travel is back, and we have been racking up the sales, keeping busy, satisfying our clients, and we've been listening. And the word out there is people are ready to take the family on vacation for 2023. And so we listened, we responded, and with us here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we put all the effort out into securing the best celebrations for you. And for summer 2023, we have got amazing options for you. So, let us start with option number 1. Sailing from the Port of Miami, the brand new, the slick, the sexy,